Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I'm Justine, and welcome to the ultimate guide, workshop, workbook, and meditation for how to access your dream life for artists, creatives, inventors, dreamers, doers. All right, are you ready? I'm going to guide you through a meditation, and then you can go right into the workbook and begin to flow freely using your intuitive feelings, nudges, accessing all the senses, activating all the senses, so that when you're writing and choosing what you want to put down on the paper, it's coming from the deepest core of you. You can pray, you can ground yourself. This meditation is designed to help you ground yourself, to be able to do this in a really deep, meaningful, authentic way. So be sure that you can have a quiet space, no interruptions, and really allow yourself to go deep. You can put on some ambient music that you like with no commercials and really allow yourself to go deep. Okay, so close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths. And bringing your awareness into the center of your heart. Feeling your lungs come close to your heart and expand out with your breath. Noticing any area in your body where there's tightness and releasing it completely. Continuing to breathe deeply each breath, cleansing and rejuvenating your spirit. Softening, quieting, listening. Knowing that you are beyond loved, which is why you even exist here in the first place. You have a divine purpose and a very special mission. The way to access this, to understand it, and to know the steps to take to manifest it, all lies in your openness, your curiosity, your playfulness, and your devoted determination to find it. All you have to do is relax. Allow yourself to enjoy the little things you get to do while being here embodied on planet Earth, in the form, in the body you chose to be here in. Keep breathing and relaxing deeper and deeper, settling closer into your soul, spirit, essence, coming closer to the divine, opening up wide to the divine, allowing for God and Christ consciousness, this crystalline Christ consciousness, to come deeply into your being, showing you and helping you feel what true alignment really is. Compassion, love, integrity, and a deep knowing of what is right for your own soul. These are the keys. Being compassionate for who you are, exactly the way you are. Owning it and celebrating it wildly, unabashedly. Making choices according to your own natural rhythms. Designing your dream life according to these natural, innate, primal rhythms within your body, within your spirit, while all the while being deeply connected and aligned to the divine source of all that is. Crystalline consciousness is clarity, it's pure, it's bright, it's light, it is power, it is strength from the deepest core of you. Grounding this into the earth, grounding you and your purpose deeply into the earth, allowing you to activate and utilize the resources upon this earth, even your body, your hands as creative, powerful tools given to you by the divine to work with the earth, to work with the matter and make something deeply meaningful from the spirit and core of you. This is where the dream life comes from. This is where it's inspired from. The playfulness that you can activate through daydreaming and trying new things and stepping out of your comfort zones in ways that feel new and fresh and wild and free and natural and pure and kind. This is where your dream life seeds can be born. This is where the source of all that you are can be found, can grow from and expand out and reach more and more people, inspiring more and more people. You have no idea how powerful and meaningful your life and existence is. Your creative power is ready to be activated to the next level. It's just time for you to catch up to it. Are you ready? What does your dream life feel like, look like, smell like, taste like? How do your relationships feel, your friendships feel, your love to your own being feel? Take a deep breath, releasing everything that's been holding you back from your dreams, from your dream life. Surrendering to everything that's been a distraction and heavy on you, releasing it all, letting it all just come undone, completely freeing you to access your dream life as soon as divinely guided and possible for you. And take these next few moments just pouring gratitude into your own soul, to yourself, for taking the time to meditate, contemplate, and dream. And I thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for joining me on this journey. And I can't wait to hear how you enjoy working through this workbook, journaling, and meditating. And I encourage you to meditate as often as possible. In the morning, in the evening, just listen to this guided meditation. And you can reach out to me with any insights, ideas. I would love to hear from you. You can just go to theiamcode.com and I'll see you there. Enjoy your journey.